Hi, good morning. Welcome to JJ classes. Actually, one student requested me to find out how to find out the profit. Okay, how to calculate the profit from the cost sheet. There are different methods. She would like to know what are those methods and how to solve them. Okay, let us do that one. Now, total cost given to you, amount 1 lakh. Total cost amount is 1 lakh. Okay. Now, profit we are supposed to calculate 10% on sales. Profit we are supposed to calculate 10% on sales. But what is the data given to you? Total cost is given to you. If you receive the sales, yes, sales into 10 by 100 you will find out, and then you will be getting what is the answer, that is called as profit, right? But now here you got total cost and you are supposed to find out profit on sales. Now how do we do? Sales means total cost plus profit, correct? Now if I take sales as 100, then the profit percentage is 10, then the total cost will be 90, correct? If I take sales as 100%, profit is 10%, then the total cost is 90%, isn't it? Now total cost is there 1 lakh. What is the percentage of profit? 10 divided by 100 we are taking? No, because this is not sales, this is only total cost. Now here what is total cost? 90. Now whatever answer you get, that is called as profit. What is the answer we are getting? 1 lakh into 10 divided by 90. You will be getting 11,111. Got it? Now what is sales? How do you find the sales? Sales is equal to 1 lakh total cost plus profit. Then you are getting 1 lakh 11,111. Okay. Now once again, total cost is given 1 lakh and the profit 10% on sales. So we don't have sales. How do you find the sales? Instead of finding the sales from the total cost itself, let us find out the profit. So profit is 10 in the sense, out of 100, 10 gone as profit, the balance will be called as total cost. So now when you are calculating the percentage, 1 lakh into 10 profit divided by, we are calculating on total cost, it will be 90. 90 in the sense, 100 minus percentage we are taking. We are taking 100 minus percentage. So this is one method. Understood? Write down if you want. Please copy this, take the screenshot. Okay, this is one method. Let's see the second method. This is general method, everyone knows. There is nothing new in this. Just data is given. On the data only they are asking you to find out. If the total cost is 1 lakh, okay, once again I am taking total cost 1 lakh only. Profit 10% on total cost. Profit is 10% on total cost. 1 lakh into 10 by 100, you got 10,000. You got 10,000. Got it? So this is just a general method. There is nothing new in this. Okay. So there is one more method. There is one more method. You got the sales. You got the sales. How much? Same 1 lakh I am taking. Profit 10% on total cost. Sales is 1 lakh and profit is 10% on total cost. Got it? Now you got the difference between them. Last one, total cost is given and profit a percentage on sales. But here sales is given, profit is percentage on total cost. Now how to find out? Shall we try with the same method? Sales is equal to total cost plus profit. Isn't it? But now sales is there, total cost is not there. Sales is there, total cost is not there. So now how do you find out the percentage? How do you find out the percentage? Here, if I take total cost as 100, see whichever percent on what percentage is given, that I will be treating as 100%. Okay. What percentage is given, that I am taking as 100. Okay. On what percentage is given, that I am taking as 100. So now total cost is 100%. Now what is sales? Sales means profit plus total cost, right? So in this profit also included. Now when you are calculating the amount, 1 lakh into 10 divided by, this percentage is on total cost, not on the sales. Now sales become 100, total cost is 100 plus 10%. Isn't it? So now total it is 110. Now what is the amount you will get? 1 lakh into 10 divided by 110. How much you got? 9090. 9090. Got it? If sales is given, profit percentage on total cost is given, that time you have to take sales into percentage divided by 100 plus percentage. Then you will get the profit. Understood? Is it clear to all of you? If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye-bye.